Reka turebere hamwe rero uburyo ushobora gufunga cyangwa gufungura Microsoft Excel yawe, especially when you are doing something sensitive, ukaba uri gukora nk'amaformire yo mu kazi udashaka ko hari umuntu ufungura atabiherewe uburenganzira. First of all, iyi pariti yose tuba turi imbere yacu iyo dufunguye Excel immediately niyo bita sheet, and then this one entire ishobora kuba izi sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Noneho different or one or more than one sheet make workbook. So ushobora rero protecting one sheet ariko iyindi no protecting. For example, I can protect the first sheet, but that doesn't mean I cannot open other sheet or open the workbook. So let's see this. Iyo tufunga hano dushyiramo password yacu, iyo dushobora gukoresha to unlocking. Noneho tukamakinga sure ko hari ibintu runaka dushaka kwa allowing ibintu byose kuba biri locked, or to go protecting one thing. For example, I can only choose not to delete any colon or any row. Okay, ikaba ushobora kudasiba, and so nuvuga ngo ntabwo wemerewe ku unlocking or locking any row or column then here or cells. Okay, let's see that. Let me put some of the password. Okay, let's go. They asked me to put back, so let's see this. Let me suppose that I want to delete this. They were trying to delete the column that contains log and blah 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 blah, so it won't delete it. Let's see that I just wanted to delete this. It won't, except if I just open it. Here wamaze kugira icyo ukora bihita bicanginga appearance cyangwa se status. Here is unprotect. In case I say okay, we open it, then the very person can delete now, no question. Okay, but if I do protect, it won't be deleted. Okay, let's go. But here on another sheet I can delete. See that? I can delete. So it means that I would need to lock everything if I want to lock one sheet to one sheet. There's another option which is here. I'm gonna click here, and then I protect all the workbook again and again. So let's see this. come and create one sheet. I can't add anything except if I remove and protect this one. So here is sharing. You can just click on allow and you just share your workbook. So it needs to be downloaded. Apart from passing by somewhere else, you can use that way. There's another diversity where you can choose a lot of options and protect and share. So this is where you can protect right after you share, or to edit the range when it is necessary. So I'm so grateful about that you understand this too. That was my purpose, letting you know about them. I am not going to waste the time on these things of you. We have seen it in Microsoft Word and a little bit in the beginning. Nkeka ko isomo rya Excel turisoreje aha mu buryo buri basic, nkaba ufite iminsi ihagije wenda nk'ibiri yo kuba wabaza ikibazo runaka, kuba wavuga uti kano kantu runaka n'ubu utagashyize muri basic ariko nari nkakeneye, wakanyuriramo muri makeya. Byari byiza rero gukorana nawe mu bijyanye na kwigira online. Mwarakoze cyane kutugira icyizere no kuduha amahirwe yo kubasangiza ubumenyi dufite. Ciao.